If your Mustang's AC stopped working, don't sweat it. You're just a few steps away from knowing the most common causes. Let's get your ride chill again. The air conditioner compressor is the heart of your Mustang's cooling system. When it fails, you get nothing but hot air, even with the AC cranked up. So, why does it stop working? First, low refrigerant. Over time, tiny leaks can let out the cool stuff your AC needs to work. Without enough refrigerant, the compressor can't do its job. Second, electrical problems. Bad wiring, blown fuses, or a faulty relay can cut power to the compressor, stopping it cold. Next, worn-out parts. The compressor has moving parts that wear down after years of use. If you hear loud clunks or squeals, it might be time for a new one. Lastly, watch out for dirty or clogged components. A blocked filter or dirty condenser means your AC system has to work harder, and that can cause the compressor to fail. So, if your Mustang's AC isn't working, start with these simple checks. It could save you time and money at the shop. Remember, if you're not sure what's wrong, it's always smart to let a pro take a look. Stay cool, Mustang fans, and keep enjoying the drive.